Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet, guys. Make sure you go check them out. I've been using this wallet for about a week now. They sent me it over a week ago, and I've been using it for about a week. And to be honest with you, this is the best wallet that I've ever used. Like literally the best. Nothing compares to it. And I'm gonna show you guys the package it comes in right now. Okay, so when you get the wallet, you get a box like this. The box is super clean, and then you get a tool to tighten the bolts on the wallet. You get a sticker, you get some extra bolts, I think this is, and then a nice little welcome to the Ridge family card. So yeah, guys, if you guys do want to check out one of these wallets, this one is actually the titanium one. They have carbon fiber and a bunch of different colors. Also ones with money clips, but I chose this one because it's super clean, fits in your pocket super nice, and you don't got nothing to worry about. Like, look how small it is. It's literally perfect size, and you can barely tell it's even there. But if you guys do want one and get a percentage off, make sure you go to their website, use promo code LUZZY, and you'll get a percentage off on their website. Link in description. Check them out.
Tell me that your love will never fade away. I should have seen it coming from a mile away. Cause now she's switching up and got a new style. And she dress it up with a fake smile. Like, girl, I need your loving right now. But it's time for me to let go. Girl, you know you left me so cold. Turning to somebody that I don't know.
Okay, so we are starting off the day a little bit late right now. I ended up going to sleep at like 6 in the morning. But we're starting off the day late. But I also went outside to some great packages today. So we got 2 parts going on the car today. We actually got a steering wheel right here. And this is a secret one I'm not going to tell you guys about just yet. But we got these 2 right going on the car today. Huge shout out to OHC Motorsports. A huge shout out to Groff Design for both sponsoring today's video. And let's open this up. This thing is insane. It's actually insane. Ready? Full Alcantara steering wheel with red stitching that I picked out. I picked out all this myself. And a freaking LED shift bar on the steering wheel. This came from freaking out of the country and somehow still got here in a few days. So they got some great shipping. We got all the pieces to put it on today. And yeah, we're going to make that happen. So it should be a good day. But this thing is freaking sick. That's all I can say. I can't wait to get it on the car and go drift around with this thing on. It's huge though. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it's the same size. I'm going to measure everything out. But it is freaking sick. I'll tell you that for a fact. So let's throw this back. I'm going to open this up right now. Because to be honest with you, I'm just as, like, I don't even know what it looks like. And I'm really, really excited to open it. So we're going to open it up now and check it out. So what it is actually a Wicker bell. I know I said I wasn't going to tell you guys, but I want to see it too. Because I'm excited. Oh, this thing is sick. I can't show you guys too much because I don't want to take it out of the package and scratch it on the way there. But this thing is going to be sick for sure. This is crazy. Hell yeah. My car's about to look crazy after today. Well, one's an interior piece. It's more for me, but this is going to look sick on the car. So he also actually hooked me up and sent me some of my own decals for my car. So huge shout out to him for going out of his way for doing that. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to follow him on Instagram, I'll put his Instagram up on the screen right now. It's Groff Design. So make sure you go check him out. They sell lips and a bunch of other parts for your car. Wicker bills. If you guys want to cop a Wicker bill from him, make sure you go check it out. Let's open these up. We got some Luzzy stickers right here, as you can see. So we're going to throw these on the Wicker bill and should come out sick. Alright, we just got all the parts in the car right now. Let's get a quick cold start on the whip. So we're getting this put on today. So Wicker bill, attachment for the spoiler, and then my steering wheel is not going to look like this anymore. No more ugly steering wheel after today.
Alright, go to the right. So, what are we doing today?
Alright, so Brett just put some springs on his car right now, so his car is lowered, which means his front bumper is going to fall off within the next 2 weeks.
Make a left, make a left. Yeah.
We're going to put my my steering wheel on right now,
Whoa.
And then later tonight we're going to put on the Wicker bill, and then we'll go from there.
Oh wow, look.
Look.
See, man, look, this guy drive my car, man.
You drive your car.
So,
Cannot
go straight, bro. Yes, sir.
A lot of smoke. Ooh, Brett really got his car lowered. Oh, looks good.
He's like, bro, if you put a front lip on, you're dumb as shit. It's gonna break it in the day.
Are you spinning this real quick? Brett, literally, this is probably the worst like point you've ever been with tires.
Nobody got my tire size right now.
Nah, nobody got his tire size, and he already ripped all the wires out of his tires, so we're basically driving on nothing right now. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Just a little one. Just a
I
quick.
think I just popped my
Yo,
tire.
look at the floor. What's from that little one, bro?
I deadass think I just popped my tire though.
But yeah, the interior on this thing, crazy, bro. Crazy.
Just installed the carbon fiber.
Sir, got the carbon fiber right here. Carbon fiber, everything. It came like this, or you added this too?
I added all that. I come silver.
And you got the steering wheel, the carbon fiber paddle shifter extensions.
I forgot I'm low now.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with everything.
This is where I'm. Yo, I literally just took it on the test drive and I already scraped the bolt.
Where, right here?
Right here on the train track.
All right, it's a little bit later now. It's about 8 o'clock. Time to go pick up the whip. And subscribe. And we about to go check out the new steering wheel right now. So yeah, in the M3. Hey, you know what that means. This is the old steering wheel right here. We out with the old and with the new. Keep this one in the trunk for a little. That's crazy. I'm about to go hang that shit on my wall or something. I don't even know. It's expensive though. I'm pretty sure these things are like $400 or $500 just for this. It's crazy. Yo, look at this sick ass car right there. G-Wagon. This thing is clean, bro. This is stock color. This thing is sick. AMG. This is worth my house right here, but it's okay.
Hey, I guess
We getting there. We got the LED light going. It's not on yet, but I just seen it turn on, and it's crazy looking. But this is definitely a good touch to my car for sure. We gotta get some carbon fiber accents though on the steering wheel.
You gotta be as long as you
Check this out. We are in the car.
let me move this. Oh my
Wow.
God. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's sick, bro.
This thing is crazy. Watch this, guys. Look at the LED light. Let's go. Yeah. This thing is so sick. Oh my god. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day right now. Last night, the steering wheel got done a little bit later than we expected. So I'm actually going to DJ's house right now because we didn't get the chance to do the Wicker bill. So we're gonna do that right now. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So it should be fun. But this steering wheel is so sick. Yo, can you open this please so we can get it on video? Here, you hold that open.
Hold on,
you got
we gotta
tan,
make
bro.
Yeah, no.
You got tan as hell.
We gotta make a run though.
Where are we making a run to? I want to open this on camera. Hold this. We need to make a run nowhere. Okay, so this is actually tinted.
Oh, very nice.
Yes. And then there's a clear piece right here on the middle.
It's gonna sit very nice. Let's see.
So like this.
Yeah, it's we'll see after, cause this makes it look a little off.
Yeah, definitely. So does this color. It's gonna be fire.
All right, so actually, hold on. Before anything, hold on.
Look up. It was sunny out when we were doing this shit.
But before anything, do you guys see this? Guys, capture this moment. This is Mike actually doing something.
Well, DJ couldn't do it right, so I had to do it.
Exactly. No, so we had a little issue before. We were able to push it in with glue, but that wasn't enough. Then we tried to use this thing. It didn't
That
work.
thing sucks.
It didn't work.
So this one's a finessed one.
So now, if you see, it is very tight.
Yep, oh shit. Stripping bolts. Alright, so now when we take it off, we're good. So after this, all we do is put on a Wicker bolt. There we go, we tightened up all the bolts right now. We couldn't find the Allen key, but we found one. This thing is about sick.
Oh, dang.
We gotta shut the trunk. See how shit really looks. Nah, it's not going nowhere. With that
No.
tool, it's not going anywhere. It's not tight yet.
Oh. Damn.
This car just keeps getting better and better.
Damn, that looks good. Watch out real quick.
Nah.
Nah.
The Wicker bill's on. Sitting good. we had a problem with the underglow where this side broke off, so we fixed that, and yeah, we got everything done today for the car. Steering wheel's done, Wicker bill's on, underglow's fixed, everything's perfect now for now. See how long it lasts though. Till we're on to the next project. You already know, guys, we've been working on this car like crazy, and it's coming out insane, so I got nothing to complain about. And also, DJ's getting a rewrap soon, so be on the lookout for that.
We should tape this up together, right?
What we do here is go back.
Loud.